Imagine you're on a mission to save $1 million by the time you're 50. You've got a solid plan in place, but when you crunch the numbers, it seems almost impossible, unless you've got a secret weapon in your corner: compound interest. Compound interest is a powerful force that can make even the smallest, regular investments grow into life-changing sums. In this video, we'll explore how this magic works and show you a real-life example of how $100 per month can become $1 million. Let's dive into the basics. Compound interest is essentially the snowball effect, where your earnings generate more earnings and create a growth spurt. It's not just about adding a fixed interest rate to your principal investment. It's about letting the interest earn interest, too. Think of it like a tree growing branches. Each new branch represents the interest earned on your initial investment. As the branches grow, they create a canopy that provides shade for your growing wealth. The more regular